Hi, I'm Randy and welcome to Managing Your Business by the Numbers. Today we're diving into a topic that every business owner and manager encounters sooner or later: incorporating technology to improve business processes. Have you ever wondered if the latest tech tool is truly worth the investment, or whether it will make a real difference for your business? In this video, we'll explore how to evaluate technology, decide if it's necessary, and ensure it's implemented effectively. If you're ready, let's begin. Let's start with the basics. What problems are you trying to solve? Identify pain points. Take a close look at your current workflows. Are manual processes slowing things down? For example, are you spending hours reconciling invoices or manually tracking inventory? Write down your specific business needs. Seeing them on paper can help clarify whether they still make sense and align with your goals. Share these notes with others in your team to get their perspective. Defining goals. Be specific. Do you want to save money, make money, or stay competitive? Maybe you need a system that automates your payroll, saving time and reducing errors. Or perhaps you're looking for a CRM tool to boost sales efficiency. Knowing your end goal is crucial. Not all technology is created equal, and not every shiny gadget is worth your time. Ask yourself these key questions. Does this tech solve your specific pain points? Is it scalable as your business grows? Will it improve efficiency or profitability? Beware of the shiny object syndrome. It's easy to get excited about trending tools. For instance, a cutting-edge retail POS system might have bells and whistles, but if it doesn't speed up checkout times or enhance customer experience, it's not solving your real problem. Another example could be an advanced project management tool with extensive features. But if your team finds it too complex to use effectively, it may create more problems than it solves. And let's not forget, salespeople will often promise their product is the ultimate solution to all your problems. Ask yourself, does this technology solve your biggest problem? Or even one of the top 10 problems? If not, it might not be worth pursuing. After all, the goal isn't just to have the latest gadget, but to address what truly matters to your business. I have seen a lot of articles and ads recently for AI solutions. And it's great that there are advancements in artificial intelligence. But a lot, if not most, of the current business problems do not need this right now anyway. For some companies, AI is a critical tool. For many, however, AI is just another shiny object. Before jumping in, let's talk about numbers. For direct cost, consider not just the upfront purchase price, but also the cost for setup, customization, and ongoing training. These can add up quickly, especially for systems requiring regular updates or licenses. For example, cloud-based software often includes a recurring subscription fee that may escalate as you add users or features. Think of it like buying a car, not just the sticker price. There's insurance, gas, and maintenance to consider. For indirect costs, think about potential hidden costs. Will you need additional staff to manage or support the technology? What about the productivity hit during the implementation period? A poorly planned rollout could lead to confusion and downtime, affecting your daily operations. Imagine your team spending hours figuring out how to use the new system instead of focusing on core tasks. I have seen a software rollout that actually decreased employee efficiency for well over 6 months. In that scenario, the test environment was not an accurate proxy to the real environment, and some elements were not addressed before the rollout. Define clear metrics for success. Will this technology save hours of manual work each week, freeing up your team for higher value tasks? Could it lead to increased sales or reduced errors in your processes? For example, a new inventory system might reduce overstocking by 20%, directly saving money while improving cash flow. Ensure the anticipated benefits can be tracked and measured to determine if the investment was worthwhile. Once you've done your homework, it's decision time. Here's a checklist for adoption. Does this align with your overall business strategy? Are the costs justified by the benefits? Is now the right time to implement this? Seek input. Don't make this decision in a vacuum. Consult your team for insights. They often see day-to-day challenges that might not make it on your radar. Sometimes the most valuable feedback comes from the people who will be using the system the most. You've decided to move forward. What's next? Hiring for support. Consider whether to hire a consultant for setup and training or bringing in a permanent employee for ongoing support. For example, if the technology is a one-time implementation, a consultant might be sufficient. For ongoing systems, in-house expertise could be better. A real-life example I worked at a company that hired a full-time person to help implement the software. After it was up and running, they struggled to keep that person busy. His manager ended up going to other departments looking for work to justify the new hire's time. On the other hand, another company hired a part-time consultant who set up everything and trained the staff, ensuring that the business had the expertise they needed without unnecessary overhead. This highlights the importance of carefully planning your staffing needs. Train your staff thoroughly. Make sure they're comfortable with the new tools. For large systems, a phased rollout might reduce disruptions and allow for adjustments along the way. And remember, even the best technology won't help if your team isn't confident using it. Part of the implementation is getting staff on board from a knowledge perspective and an emotional perspective. The work doesn't stop after implementation. Along the way, you need to be tracking your success. Measure the impact using metrics like time saved, cost reduction, or revenue increase. For instance, is your new inventory management system reducing stockouts or overstocking? Are you seeing measurable results that align with your original goals? Technology needs to evolve with your business. After you have been up and running for some time, start to regularly review its performance and ensure that it continues to meet your needs. And don't be afraid to make tweaks or upgrades. Just because it worked last year doesn't mean it's still the best fit for today. To wrap up, remember, start by identifying your pain points and defining your goals. Evaluate whether the technology addresses those needs and calculate the cost benefit. If you decide to proceed, plan the implementation carefully and monitor its performance. Technology should be a tool to help your business, not a distraction or a drain on resources. What technologies have you adopted in your business, and how did they work for you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Well, until next time, have a great day.